my energy healing work, I use the energy of colors. When you see colors, it is how your eyes perceive different energetic frequencies. So colors, it's actually energy, but your eyes see it as different colors. So every color has special frequency attached to it. And I developed color healing cards. I call it Chromotherapy healing cards. I have researched 47 different colors, and I researched different spiritual meaning or energy meaning attached to each color. So this is my cards, so they all have different colors. And colors energy can be used to project on different organs and different illnesses, because colors are energy, and when people become sick, their body produce special energy, and you can counteract the energy of illness with the energy of color. So I have a little book attached to the cards with the meaning and how to create the energy of each color. Each color corresponds to 5 senses. We have 5 senses, all humans have, and each color connect energetically to how we feel. So each color has a gemstone, which corresponds to the same energetic frequency with each color. Each color corresponds with plant and herb. Each color corresponds with food, and each color corresponds energetically with smell and music. So you see, just 5 senses involved: visual, hearing, taste, smell, and kinesthetic sense. So when you need to produce the energy of a specific color, you need to affect 5 senses to generate specific energy. The other ways to generate energy is you can use your hands. I can show you. For example, you need to generate yellow energy, and yellow is a very good color to put into your stomach, to clear your skin. You need to rub your hands together like that. You can need to close your eyes, bring your hands apart. Try to bring them together. Do it millimeter by millimeter until you feel tingling sensations or resistance. It's like, I want to bring my hands together, but I can't. I feel resistance, tingling sensations in my hands. So this means I am holding my energy ball. It's like children's ball, so you can feel it from all sides. And you see, when I do my energy work, I always keep my eyes closed because I need to go within. So I found like I really feel my energy ball. Now, to generate yellow energy, I need to visualize a light entering my ball from the top. And now I feel that I am holding a yellow ball. So, and I feel how different it feels to hold yellow ball. And now I take this yellow ball, bring it to my stomach, and now I can do clockwise movement to put this yellow energy into my stomach. So this is how it can be done. And also other ways to use card. You just can pick a card in the morning and read the meaning, what it means to pick this card each morning. And it tells you the energetic meaning of each color and what you need to do to generate this color. It's how you're going to connect it to 5 senses by using a special gemstone, plant or herb, food, smell, and music. So it's all colors have this corresponding 5 senses object to connect to. And people all also ask me, how did I connect each color And it's 47. I did research on 47 colors. How I connected each color with 5 senses. And I actually did scientific research myself many years ago. I did it like it was like a table. I created a table, put all these 47 colors, and ask people how they connect each color with food, smell, music, gemstone, plant or herb. And I give this, it's like a survey, to more than 3,000 people participated in this research. I gave it to all my clients, to my friends, anybody who wouldn't refuse to answer these questions participated in this research. And people from all over the world answered these questions. And when I analyzed the data from this research, I was so surprised to find that some answers were similar or even the same. So, for example, many people connected, like, okay, red color, how to generate red color. So gemstone, it is a red natural spinel, plant herb, red roses. So many people actually in this survey mention that they connect red roses to red, and red natural spinel, like a gemstone, to red color. Food, raspberry, tomatoes, red peppers. Smell, dark heavy rose scent. And music, African music, a pearly instrumental drum, boom 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 boom. So intuitively we connect to energy and feel energy in a very similar way. So if you want to get these cards, I put a link below, and this card will help you a lot with your energy healing work. This card comes together with this little book. So if you purchase both, you will get cards and the little book which explain you everything, how to work with cards and how to generate the energy of each color, and how to generate the energy and connect the energy to 5 senses.